Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. Today we are going to discuss about lines and a transversal. Okay, let us see. Suppose there is two lines L and M. These two lines are intersected by another line N at two distinct points. Therefore, the N is called transversal. N is transversal. If a line intersects another two lines at two distinct points, then the line is called transversal. Okay, there formed some angles. There, let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally, there formed 8 angles. If a transversal intersect another two lines at two distinct spans, there formed 8 angles. We can classify these angles as, so let us see, 3, 4, 5, 6 are lies inside and 1, 2, 7, 8 are lies outside. Therefore, these 3, 4, 5, 6 are called interior angles. Interior angles. And 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Okay, we can classify these 8 angles into interior angles and exterior angles. So in interior angles we have 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. These 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. And okay, we have some more types of angles. Let us observe 1 and 5, 1, 5 and 4, 8, 4, 8. 1 and 5 are non-adjacent angles. 1 and 5 are 4 and 8, whatever. 1 and 5 are non-adjacent angles and both are lies same side of the transversal. These two are same side of the transversal and one is interior, other is exterior. These type of angles are called corresponding angles. What are those? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Angles which are non-adjacent angles of same side of transversal, of which one is interior, other is exterior, are called corresponding angles. So they are 1, 5 and 4, 8. Here also 2, 6, 3, 7. These 4 pairs are corresponding angles. Okay. So next, let us observe some more. See this, 4 and 6 are 3 and 5. 4 and 6 are, these two angles are non-adjacent angles and which are either side of the transversal and both are interior angles. Both are interior angles. They are called alternate interior angles. 4, 3 and 5 also. These two are non-adjacent angles. These two are either side of the transversal and both are interior. These type of angles are called alternate interior angles. What are the alternate interior angles? 3 comma 5 and 4 comma 6. These two pairs are alternate interior angles. Next, let us observe 1 7 and 2 8. 1 7 and 2 8. How these two pairs? Okay, 1 and 7 are non-adjacent angles which are either side of the transversal and both are exterior. These type of angles are called alternate exterior angles. So these are alternate exterior angles. Exterior angles. So what are the alternate exterior angles? They are 1 comma 7 and 2 comma 8. These are alternate exterior angles. Next, let us see the one more type. See the 4 and 5. 4 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. How these two pairs? These two are 4 and 5 are 3 and 6, whatever. 4 and 5 are lies same side of the transversal and both are interior. Okay, these are called interior angles on the same side of transversal. These angles, these interior angles on the same side of transversal are also called as consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles or allied interior angles. So what are those? 4 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. These two are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, so next, same here. Let us observe 1 8 and 2 7. 1 8 and 2 7 are same side of transversal and both are exterior. Okay, so these two are called exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, what are those? They are 1 comma 8, 1 comma 8 and 2 comma 7. Let us see the types of angles once again. So first one is corresponding angles. So corresponding, what are the corresponding angles? There are three conditions. First one is non-adjacent, and second one is both are same side of transversal, same side of transversal. Okay, third condition is one is interior and other is exterior. These type of angles are called corresponding angles. Next one is alternate interior angles. So here also it has three conditions. One is both are non-adjacent angles. Okay, the angles are non-adjacent angles. Second one is angles are either side. Okay, either side. Third one is both are interior. Both are interior. These are interior, alternate interior angles and exterior angles. What are the exterior? Same like as alternate interior angles, but the last condition, both are exterior angles. And fourth one is interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles both are interior and both are same side of the transversal, and exterior angles on the same side of transversal. So both are exterior and both are same side of the transversal. So what are the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are 1 5 and 2 6 3 7 4 8. These are corresponding angles. So both are non-adjacent. One is interior, one is exterior, and same side of the transversal. Alternate interior, non-adjacent, both are interior and either side of the transversal. 3 5 or 4 6. Alternate exterior, non-adjacent, both are exterior and either side of the transversal. 1 7 2 8. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. 4 5. Both are same side. Both are same side and both are interior. 4 5 3 6. And exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Both are exterior and both are same side. 1 8 2 7. These are the types of angles formed when a transversal intersected two lines at two distinct spans. These are the types of angles. Okay, thank you, one and all.